Okay. This is our new products. The item number is SM08. You see the new products which is a night light. They have a 3 mode, right? 3 different mode. Hold this button for turn on, turn off the light. And also have the body sensor. Body sensor is you hold this button. Now it's green, means the body sensor is on. Okay, will be 5 minutes later will be automatically on or off. But once have the sensor is on. Okay, another is the function is Bluetooth and white noise. Okay, this is white noise. Totally 10 sounds, 10 different tender sounds. You see them for the baby sleeping. This is the birds for the nature sounds, and the wave, and the raining, and this the cracking fires. This is for the nature, okay, nature sounds. And also they have the Bluetooth. The sleeping sounds have the timer function. Just press once, 30 minutes. 60 minutes, 90 minutes, okay, and it's normal. Okay, press twice to go into the Bluetooth mode. Just use your phone and connect. Now already connect. You see already connect. The item parent name is SM08, and you use your mobile phone to. See example. Now is next previous sound or next sound. Yes, and hold the button for the volume down. Okay, and also have the function TWS. You can open another tone one to another. Use this one. This is TWS. It's already connected to TWS. We have remote control here. Press this one for the TWS. Now it's still the sound. Next the smart design is. For this one, have the hook here, the hook to the wall, and with at the night time for your bedside room, and can hook the TWS play music, and also can screw. They have the screw for the treble. Okay, can you see like this way to put your speaker on this side. Okay, I let the how to say the living room, you can put the sofa side, okay, and with another is a TWS together. The design is brilliant. Also, you see the box. The box also is designed to the TWS function described. We have the batteries inside 2400 mAh. It can play around 4 hours for max volume. If we play music, we play the sleeping sounds. Sleeping sounds can be last maybe 6 hours. Yes. You can see the box. We have the sleeping sounds, Bluetooth speaker, night lights, PL body sensor, remote control, TWS, stereo sound. Okay.